Hi, this is NB. In this video we are going to learn about while loop statement in Python and how to use it. Why we need a while loop as we already have a for loop. Generally for loop is used for specific number of iterations. You can specify number of iterations in for loop, but in while loop that is not the case. While loop is used when we don't know number of iterations that will take to complete the process. The basic syntax of while loop is while of condition, statement 1, statement 2, statement 3. For the first time, it checks the while condition. If the condition is satisfied, it executes all the statements, statement 1, 2, 3 and so on. At the end of these statements, it will again check the condition, and if it is still satisfies, it again runs the while loop. And again it checks the condition and again runs these statements if the condition is satisfied. Whenever this condition is failed, the while loop is break and statement xyz is executed, which means the next line will be executed. We will see how to use a while loop using a program. So the program is print numbers 1 to 10 using while loop. So you can see that numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 are printed, right? There is another program that I am going to explain, which is the next program is read an integer from the user and print all the digits one by one. Let's say the number is 253. The digits are 3, 5, 2, right? In this way we can use a while loop. Check out my new video on Java. What is public static void main? I will leave in the card section. So today's problem is write a Python program to check whether a given number is a palindrome or not. A palindrome number is a number which looks same when you read it from left to right or right to left. 121 is a palindrome number. 121, 121, right? You need to read a integer from the user and check whether the number is palindrome or not using while loop. If you enjoy this video, a sub to the channel would be amazing.